Hi, I'm Carole, and this is Living Lotus Online. Bridge pose is one of the asanas or poses that can really be whatever you need it to be: energizing, rejuvenating, strengthening, restorative. Join me today as I lead you through some variations that will allow you to get just what you need from bridge pose. Let's begin with a traditional bridge pose. Start in constructive rest with your knees bent. Exhale, press feet and arms actively into the mat. Push tailbone towards your pubis, firm glutes a little, and lift the hips. Keep feet parallel. Clasp hands below the pelvis and extend through the arms, staying on the shoulder blades and keeping the neck relaxed. If you find your neck is flattening or you have any other neck complaints to consider, then try rolling a small blanket and placing it below the head into the curve of the cervical spine. Keep your arms at your sides and don't lift your hips quite so high when coming into your bridge pose. Splayed knees is quite common and usually requires strengthening the adductors. Splayed knees and weak adductors can also mean you are compressing your low back and may be the reason you experience low back pain in this pose. To solve for this, bring a yoga block between your thighs and squeeze the block as you lift up and hold into the pose. Knees that collapse means strengthening of the abductors and glutes is required. A great way to do this is to loop a yoga strap just above the knees, keeping the legs hip width apart. Come up into bridge pose and press thighs into the strap. Hold and take a few rounds of breath. Hold the yoga strap in either hand underneath you. Come up into bridge pose. Begin to walk your hands along the strap towards each other. Pause when you feel tension and breathe deeply, allowing the shoulder blades to relax. Knee discomfort may be a sign of foot placement not being quite right for you. Explore different foot placements by walking the feet closer or further from the body. This is also a great way to tone the hamstrings and glutes, which means better support for the knees. It may be you are working to strengthen your bridge and need a little support, or perhaps you're looking for a restorative variation. Come up into bridge pose and place the prop of your choice underneath you. Gently lower your hips down into the support of the prop beneath. And breathe. You may begin to notice this variation has a calming effect on the body and mind, soothing away sensations of stress, and for some, it's a great way to relieve headaches. Hold here for as long as you need and breathe deeply. Thanks for exploring the many ways that we can make bridge pose work for you. Please leave a comment on the video if you have a favorite way to modify bridge. I would love to know about it. For more Let's Talk Yoga videos, subscribe to the channel. Namaste.